Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to enable split screen in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on shortcut and accessibility, and you have to simply click on it. Here it is, split screen. You have to enable it. Now you have to do three finger up, then click on got it, and you have to open any of your apps right now like this. You have to press on got it, and it will be in, you can see two apps are working in one screen, and you can use split screen like this. You can see friends, this is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.